I'm a sucker for really cutesy stuff. And I thought I would outgrow that, but I never did. Here I am, just turned 29, doing a Hot Topic Sanrio haul. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Janie. If you're new here, I do videos on Squishmallows, Squishables, Build-A-Bear, basically anything that I think is cute. Like today, for example, we're going to be talking about Hot Topic. I'm doing a Sanrio haul of some cute accessories, shirts. Finally getting over my cold, so I'm super excited. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe because it definitely helps this channel out. And we're just going to jump right into it. I'm going to talk about the disappointing item first, and it's only disappointing because I chose the wrong size. So I got this very cute My Melody shirt. I'm going to show you what it looks like on the website because on me it's a little bit too big. I got it in a large. I should have gotten it in a medium because it's a boyfriend fit. So it's a little bit roomier. It's a little bit baggier. So, and medium is normally my size anyway. It's just Hot Topic. Obviously, for younger people, I guess, technically, even though I know plenty of adults that shop there, myself included. But even when I was in high school, I always had a hard time kind of figuring out what my size is because some of their crop tops, some of their things tend to lean a little bit smaller in size, for me anyway. So it's a light pink shirt. It features My Melody on a little broom and it's just super cute. I don't know what happened that I am so into Sanrio again. I used to love Hello Kitty when I was in high school and middle school and my whole childhood, but once I graduated from high school I was kind of over Hello Kitty and I liked her friends a lot more. So this shirt is very cute. I just messed up on the sizing and I still wore it. I wore it to work, but the other two shirts that I picked up a couple of weeks ago are a lot cuter. I'm going to put them up here. I love these shirts. They fit really well. I did size up with those and it's a good thing I did because they are cropped and they are kind of on the smaller size. I've worn those shirts a lot for a lot of the reels that I put up on my Instagram. So let's start off with this enamel pin. So this is Cinema Roll, who is honestly my favorite. Look at this packaging. How cute is that? I want to get this as a tattoo on my body at some point. I have an appointment to get two My Melody tattoos from two different artists, but I really love this artwork. Not the background, just Cinema Roll with the ribbons in her hair. I think is so cute. And I love the heart-shaped lollipop that she has in her hand. This is the cutest little pin. It was $8.90, but some of this stuff was on sale. Usually Hot Topic will have like 20 to 30% off on their website. I also bought this during my birthday month in September, so I had a bunch of points. I had VIP points. I had a birthday voucher for $5, so I ended up getting like $20 off this order, which I'm really happy about. Because even though these things aren't super expensive, I feel like they can add up so incredibly quickly. Got another enamel pin. This one's not going to be for me. This is going to be for my friend Ellie, who has an Etsy shop. She is an artist, and I've talked about her before, but she really loves Kuromi, and I do too. I think it's very cute. I got a book bag of her that I'm going to show you in a little bit, but these pins are so cute. It's like sweet, cute, innocent, and then like a little edgier. So this one was $8.90 as well. I'll do a price breakdown at the end of this video though. I got a Funko Pop. So when I bought those first two shirts that I was talking about, the ones that are cropped, I saw a Hot Topic exclusive Funko Pop and I didn't pick it up in the moment. And then when I went back a couple weeks later, of course it was sold out. So I picked it up online just in case this becomes hard to find later on. It's a My Melody Hot Topic exclusive Funko Pop. So it features her in an outfit that I've never really seen, but I really like because it's just very pink. It's girly. It has like the headband with the bow and the hearts in it. I think it's really adorable. And something that I've mentioned briefly in the past, I collect a lot of Funko Pops. I just don't have the proper display for them. Of course, my Squishmallows have taken over my life, but this is an absolute cutie pie. She looks so fun and sweet. It's still available online at the time that I'm filming this video, but I love Funko Pops and I do want to kind of incorporate them into this channel a little bit more. Next, we have some earrings. These are Cinema Roll earrings. I did not anticipate them being this big. I didn't quite get that from the image on the website, but they're pretty big dangle earrings. So this is Cinema Roll within a heart-shaped earring. It's like a drop earring, so they are quite large. I might put one on just to see what it looks like. So this was $11.90. It's kind of like a delicate, like acrylic material, so I would be careful with them. This jewelry for me tends to break often, but it's just so cute that that's why I'm willing to buy it now as an adult. When I was younger, I did not want to spend. I did, but I didn't want to spend all my money because it would break. And I don't have the most sensitive ears, so that's what it looks like. I'm going to put the other one on. I don't have super sensitive ears in terms of like using mixed metals. As long as I wipe it with alcohol at some point before putting them on, I usually don't get any kind of reaction, and then I'm fine. And then with rings that turn green, I'll put like a top coat on just as a barrier between my skin. But I don't really buy rings that are like mixed metals. I usually try to stick to sterling silver. Okay, so here's what they look like. I think they're really cute. So I'm just gonna get a little closer. Very beautiful, very girly, very sweet. Obviously this is a very specific type of vibe, but I really like it. Got the earrings, I really like them. Cinnamon roll, there's a theme going on here. Next we have a My Melody choker necklace. So I'm gonna put it out of the packaging. It looks very cute. This is what I don't normally wear. This is $12.90, by the way. Typically, I don't wear any kind of necklaces because I have one that I'm wearing now. This was broken for a couple months, but prior to that, I was wearing this for years on end. Like, I never take it off. So I'll be honest, I usually don't wear any kind of necklaces, but this one was so cute that I wanted to give it a shot just to see how it would fit. So let's do a little close-up. So there's My Melody there. This is the kind of jewelry that I do think will turn eventually. So we're going to keep a close eye on it. But it has butterflies and beads, and it's just really cute. I'm a sucker for really cutesy stuff. And I thought I would outgrow that, but I never did. Here I am, just turned 29, doing a Hot Topic Sanrio haul. So I like chokers when they're a little bit tighter up against my neck. This one unfortunately is not. It is adjustable, but I tightened it as much as I could. So this is where it's hanging, which is fine. Like, it is what it is, but I would have liked it if it was like this. And maybe it can be for certain people and I'm just doing it wrong. I'll check it out later because I'm doing it on myself and it's hard for me to tell. But this is what it looks like. But yeah, I think it's actually really cute. Now we're down to the last two items, the ones that I really love. And they are two little Loungefly passport bags. So this is a recent style that they've been coming out with. I did a video for my Dumbo one, I believe. These are like $15 to $14 or like $12 to $14. There is one that I saw that's My Melody that's a little bit more expensive. I'll have it right here because I really wanted to get it. It's only a couple dollars more. I like this style of book bag, first of all, because it's cheap. It's Loungefly, but it's cheap. But more importantly, I like it because I think it's just very practical, it's very cute, and it's a nice way of getting Loungefly without having to spend 60, 70 bucks. Obviously, you sacrifice some of the space that you would have if you were actually buying one of their mini book bags. This is a lot thinner. This is a perfect bag for running errands or if you're a minimalist person. I can be, it depends on what I'm doing for the day, but these kinds of bags are good for me when I am just running errands, when I want to be not full of bulk. Sometimes it's hard when you're in the city and you're just carrying a heavy book bag and there's a ton of people and they're all crashing into you and you're bumping into them and you're in the subway. Like, sometimes I like to have something that's slim and close to my body, and that way I can keep an eye on it and I can just have my essentials, which would be like my wallet, my phone, my chapstick, my hand sanitizer, my hand cream, that can all fit in that bag. So when I saw both of these styles, I had to get them. I think I'm going to do separate videos for them, just showing like what can fit in them, but I'm going to show them to you now since you made it this far. Talk about Cinnamon Roll, since we've been talking so much about her. The pattern on this little book bag is the same as the shirt that I was talking about, that crop shirt. I really like it because I love Cinnamon Roll, but I also love birds. So I think it's just such a cute pattern. So you can see the dimensions here. If they're listed, I'll have them here as well. Small bag, but absolutely adorable. I mean, I think it's just the cutest. It's a little bit of a light wash. It's not super saturated, but I like it. It is $16.90, but usually these are on sale for like 12 bucks. That's what it looks like front and back. So I'm going to do separate videos for this, so I don't want to talk about them for too long and bore you. But let's look at the next one, which is Kuromi. There is a Loungefly mini book bag that has the same exact design. I don't remember what her little friend is called, so please help me if you do know, because I really don't remember. But how cute. I like this one because it's just obviously more saturated. It's a nice black color. I think this matches with everything. Originally, I was going to get this from my friend Ellie. I asked her if she wanted it, but it didn't fit her vibe, so it's going to be for me instead. So $19.90. The back has her little friend. Is that a stuffed animal or is this a real thing? I can't tell if it's alive or not. So you let me know, because I never watched any Hello Kitty shows or anything like that. I just grew up with the stationery and Morning Glory and Bonsai and stuff like that, if you know what I mean. But how cute are these? Again, super thin, but I think durable and practical. Like, I've used them before when I would go to the city, and I think they're really good. Anyway, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Anytime someone stays till the end, it helps the retention of my channel and how it performs and how the algorithm will push out a particular video if it sees that people are watching within the first hour specifically. So if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and stay safe out there. Until next time, bye.